I try to remind myself and remind my brothers and sisters all the time and every year, Ramadan is different to fasting. The month of Ramadan is different to fasting. Fasting is the fourth pillar of Islam. Fasting is what? The fourth pillar of Islam. And fasting has been commanded and obligatory in the month of Ramadan. But Ramadan in its own has its own blessings. And that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chose fasting to be in Ramadan. Because Ramadan in itself is so great. So He chose this pillar of Islam for us to practice in this greatest month, which is called Shahrullah, as the Prophet, peace be upon him, says, the month of Allah.